Recognized their high school as one of the best in the country, and we wanted to find out what sent them to the head of the class.
It's a challenging curriculum, but the students are willing to accept the challenge.
By focusing on advanced placement courses, McNair Academic High School in Jersey City is raising the bar and raising the students' achievements.
We all really have an intense workload. Even now, senior year, we all have so much to do. And a lot of graduates come back and say that it makes college easier.
Despite the intense workload, students say their teachers foster a positive atmosphere.
They really try to help ease the stress and help us enjoy the school life much better.
Students say racial diversity also is the key to the school's success.
All our friends are of different races, and race is not a barrier for us.
McNair is a public school, but it chooses from applicants to make up its student body, which is 25% African American, 25% Hispanic, 25% white, and 25% other ethnicities.
McNair has like this secure feeling. It's like a little oasis. It's outside of Jersey City. You forget you're in Jersey City.
Good story, and we would like to hear your story, your nominees for a high five. You can just log on to our website, myfoxny.com, click on the About Us tab, and then click on the high five icon. Terry?
All right, Sky